Good morning to you. Good morning to you. Good morning, good morning. Good morning to you. Belinda, I can't believe you're here.
Yes.
And Farah.
Rufaro.
Farah?
Yeah, Rufaro.
Rufaro.
Yeah.
Oh, I can't. You rock, babe.
Thank you, honey. You won't forget it.
شو هذول؟ So بليندا تخيلوا عم بسألها بليندا بدي أعمل لجد شعري هالصيفية. بتعرفي حدا هون in south of France؟ قالت لي darling I think I need to fly out. I'm like okay really you would do that? So I feel so happy and lucky. ما بصدق اجت من لندن لهون تتعمل لي شعري. كنت بس عم بسألها انه اذا بتعرف حدا هون بالمنطقة بيجد الشعر professionally. قلت حبيبتي انا بحس انه لازم اجي لعندك. واخذت طيارة اليوم الصبح اجت لعندي ورح تنام عندي وبكره بترجع على لندن. All the way from London. From London with love.
Always with love.
Look at the London girls, always proud. Proud Londoners. So, مثل ما كنتم شايفين ميلينا has chosen this, oh my god, stunning. It looks like the sky, it looks like the pool.
So flashing.
It's beautiful and it's looking gorgeous. It's ombre blue. Can you all guess what Ella's getting done? So Milena, we know your color. Ella, can you tell us your color?
I tell you?
Is it a surprise? Or you want to tell us? You want to tell us or you want to keep it a surprise or you're still deciding? امبارح لكتني بالليل قلت لها Ella you have to decide لأنه بليندا بدها تجيب معها الأغراض تجيب معها الشعر ساعة ما بعرف So I want to show you. جابوا تركواز أخضر شو حلو هالأخضر. Oh my goodness. فوشيا. بغزل البنات هيدا. Fluorescent. Orange. البيربل شو حلو الأحمر. Wow. So can you guess Ella's color? Oh my god, Milena's nearly there. Look at this.
It looks really good.
It's beautiful. عملت half. Turquoise and blue. Bells, I can't wait for mine.
It's going to look incredible with the
Oh my
blueberry as well.
god. Can't wait. I can't wait. هيك الشغل perfection. عملت اللي بدها اياه بالاخير شفتوا في حدا بالستوري قال لي خليها تعمل بدها اياه انا بجرب انا يا بفشل
Yeah. One person says.
انا قلت انه قالوا لي انا اوكي بجرب حاول ما قنعت bells it's me hard to live without you. It's hard to live without you. Okay, هاللون. Okay, I'm gonna reveal to you now Milena's look لأنه Milena has finished. رح نعمل boomerang برا. هلا I love the شو حطوا على شعرهم. I love the accessories.
Same.
Gold and silver.
Got it on this side too.
It's a mosquito coil, isn't it? Yeah, that attracts them. But then kills them.
Ella Bella. Oh, Ella, you're doing a mix.
No, because there was not enough blue.
Oh, okay.
There was not enough dark blue.
Okay,
I
so
did
you're
a mix.
mixing both together.
Yeah, a little bit.
من أنا حبيت هذه الفكرة نص بنص هيك كان فكرتي.
Yeah.
My idea. And you know what? If you do this, actually, I'll show you. Wait. Milena, you're gonna go crazy when you see. No. Turn your head. Look. Yalla, shake it, Ella, shake it. Shake it. Come on. Wow. شو حلو. Bells, you happy?
Very happy.
You happy? Boom! Boom! Shake it, boom, boom. Hair looks amazing. Belinda, another job well done. Joelle, how do you feel?
Love it.
It's gorgeous. That colour is amazing on you.
Love it.
Yes, it's absolutely
Like
amazing. Love it. That colour is perfect for your skin tone. I love it.
They can't see you winking.
I'm winking, everybody. I'm winking. Oh, excellent. Oh, I hope you enjoy your evening.
Oh my god.
Oh, look at what we can do with it.
I
Guys,
love
we've
you
got
both
cornrows
so
on the
much.
sides. Oh, it's gorgeous, that. Like a little quiff on top. Yeah, lovely. That's really edgy. I like that. That's cool.